This time Take will make the EHO-MAKI sushi. The EHO-MAKI sushi roll is one of Osaka's local delicacies.
The history of Ehomaki is the end of this video, so please enjoy it until the end.
Oh, it's exciting.
Make the omelet. Make an omelet by adding soup stock to 2 eggs. When it is done, roll it in a maki-su and shape it. When the eggs are set, cut them into long, thin strips as ingredients for sushi. Prepare the sushi rice. This time, just mix the rice with the sushi vinegar. Cut the cucumber into long, thin strips for the sushi filling. To make sushi rolls, first spread the nori seaweed on the sushi mat and then the sushi rice on the nori.
The nori seaweed used this time was a present from a fishing enthusiast friend who works in seaweed manufacturing.
To make double roll sushi, place nori on the sushi rice. Prepare various other ingredients.
In Japan, it is customary to face the auspicious direction of the year on Setsubun Day, this year 2nd February 2025, and eat a whole thick sushi roll. So, people said that it is bad luck to cut the Ehomaki, but this time I cut it to show you the cut side. The cut cross-section looks like this, and it turned out very tasty.
It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Wow!
Thank you very much for your watching.
History of Ehomaki. In Japan, it is customary to face the auspicious direction of the year on Setsubun Day and eat a whole thick sushi roll. This custom is said to have originated in Osaka, but its origin are not certain. There are various stories as to its origin, such as that it was born out of a hana-machi play, or that it was practiced by merchant in Senba, Osaka at the end of Edo period to wish for prosperous business. In the 1990s, convenience stores and supermarkets in Japan began selling Ehomaki, and the custom of eating Ehomaki on Setsubun spread throughout Japan. Wow!